you.
Hey, hey. Excuse me, those are ours.
I'll be leave it for everybody.
No, I didn't say you could have one. They're for people who are not going to donate. You're not going to donate anything.
I don't have to donate anything.
No, you can't take that letter when I said you can't.
No.
It's ours.
Oh, charge me whatever you want.
Yeah, okay, $1. It's $1 for that.
$1?
Yep. You gotta pay.
So you're charging people $1 for this?
If they're not going to donate, then they
You have to pay $1.
Yeah.
Have you got that on your camera?
Yeah.
$1 for this?
Yeah, $1 for that. It's $1.
Here you go. Have an advertisement.
He tried to take one and I said you have to pay $1 and he finally gave it back.
He's already taken. Can you tell me your time? This is the first.
Why is there not something that says that? I'm giving you 15 minutes to pack up. It's not 5 to
I started here.
I'm giving you 15 minutes to pack up. You know the agreement with the council. You cannot play longer than 1 hour.
Yeah, and I started, hey, I started at 11:35.
And then you can have a set.
No.
You've got 15 minutes on either side of an hour to pack up.
I had
To set up.
I started at
You cannot
11:35.
play for 1 hour. He cannot play for an hour and you take over and play for another hour.
No,
It's
it's
not like
nothing to do with me. I am a
I've got a letter from the council now stating that you people understand the regulations.
No,
You can
talk
only
about
play
it.
for 1 hour. Whether you change it in an hour,
No, it's nothing to do with me.
You're
It's
playing the same
I am
equipment.
a super buscar.
You are using the same equipment.
No, I'm allowed to use whatever equipment I like.
Okay?
I can use whatever
So
equipment I like.
it's now 5:02. I'm giving you 15 minutes to pack up.
You haven't shown me any
You
bylaws.
have
that
overstayed
give you
your
that.
welcome.
No, that's a lie.
You have overstayed your
Where
time.
is your proof?
He played
You have
from
not
half past 10.
No, you've
Yes,
got no bylaws,
he's been
no
playing
proof,
from half
no
past
nothing.
10. You know the proof.
No, there is no proof because it's all
I am
lies.
telling you now, you've got 15 minutes to
No.
do this. But for them 15 minutes to pack up. If you're not, if you're still here after that 15 minutes, I'm confiscating your goods.
Yeah, all right.
Have you got it on camera? Right, it is now
You can be
5:02, 5:02. Okay?
Hey, I didn't see that time.
I started at 11:35. I wasn't here before then. I had nothing
didn't
to
get
do with
the
it. It's
time.
nothing to do with me. You deal with him. If you've got a problem with him, you deal with
I
him.
haven't got a problem with
get
you.
the time on your watch.
I haven't got a problem with you people. All I'm doing my job.
Hey, I didn't get the
Well,
time on your
I am
watch.
doing my job,
Well, that's
right?
not
Which
what
states
it
that you can only busk for an hour.
Yeah, and
I didn't get the
started.
time on your
at-
watch.
I started at 11:35. Excuse me.
I'm not shouting at you, so you don't shout at me.
But
Okay?
I'm angry because of you.
You can be angry. You know
I can
the
be angry
bylaws.
because of the way you've been
You
treating
know
us.
the bylaws. I'm only doing my job. I'm
you're
not
not
treating
only
you
doing your
any different to what I
You
treat
are
anybody
not.
else.
You don't move anybody else.
I am not treating you any different to what
I
I
see
treat anybody else.
everybody
I
else.
didn't get
pay
the
hours
time.
and hours
You
and
are
hours.
overstaying.
I pay for half an hour.
You played for an hour. You played for an hour.
And he hasn't
You've
played
taken
it at
over for
all.
another hour. You cannot do that.
No,
Yes, he
I
can.
have
You
nothing
have
to
to
do with
back up.
him.
He's a
I
separate
have
busker.
nothing
He
to back
came.
up him.
He came into the city especially to have a
You
turn.
entered into agreement with the council
Yeah,
that
that's
you're going
it.
to bus for
Yeah,
1 hour.
An hour.
Right.
With that.
Yeah, an
You're going to
hour.
bus for 1 hour, right?
Yeah, everybody can. Not just me. Not just me. Everybody can.
It's
He
not
can
an agreement.
too.
We don't agree.
You have overstayed. You
I didn't
people
get
must
the time.
back up.
You
So
are.
you've got till 10 past 12 to take your stuff away. Otherwise, I'm going to remove it. Okay? You'll be more now. Right?
Taking photos with his cell phone. All our stuff. We've now been playing for about 34 minutes, sorry. He still has 26 minutes left.
Okay, so you understand the story now? In 10 minutes time, I'm going to take the stuff away from you. Still here. Okay, because you're refusing to back up. Okay, Michael?
I'm allowed an hour.
You are allowed an hour as a family to be here.
No, family. I'm a separate person.
You are allowed.
I am not a family. I'm a person.
You are basking on the same spot. Then you take your equipment and you move to another
Go
spot.
away. You're harassing me. Go away. I am a person. I'm
We're
not
not
a family.
playing together. He's playing, can't you see? I'm not
I'm
sitting
allowed an
there.
hour, and that's all there is to it. I have nothing to do with anybody else.
One
It's just
person
me.
there.
Just me. You're dealing with me. I'm entitled to an hour just like anybody else. You got to treat everybody the same. You can't treat one
This
person
point
different
was
to
raised with the
others.
council and it was
No,
explained to
I
you.
haven't raised it.
No.
I don't know. It's not in the bylaws. You show me a bylaw, and if you can show me a bylaw
At the
that
end of the
shows
day-
it. No, you don't have a bylaw.
I am
You
just
do not
following-
have a
I am
bylaw.
following
You can't
instructions from
show
the
me
city
a bylaw. Show me a
Okay.
bylaw that says that you can't do it because there isn't one. You're making it all up. Now go away and leave me alone, you creep. Creep.
Jason, let's go and we'll be back at 10 past and we'll have to do this. Okay? I'll 12 down to 1. Okay, we're going to have to get the police out here. If they can meet us at 12:15 at the facility together, we're going to have to do a conversation.